Hi guys, today I want to show you this Revit Family Parametric. With this you can create any kind of wardrobes or cupboards in your bedroom like this. You can see here with gaps, without the front door, with a hole inside. In this picture, big wardrobe with these handles, and you can change position of handles from corner, from middle, on each side, without the front door again, shelves like here. So really million possibilities to create something like this with just this Revit family. So I will briefly just show you what parameters are inside. You can see handle material for this one, base, it's base material, base 90 degrees, so like you can see in the bottom it's 90 degrees material, so you can change it or make it same material, but it's up to you. Change bottom like this one, yeah. Upper height is from bottom here 2000, yeah, 1000, sorry. Gap is a gap between front doors, so make it like 10. Yes, you can change it for anything. Depth, yeah, same here, it will be more in depth. Width like 600, yes. Depth of front door, you can change it for 50 or anything you want. Let's leave it 15. Okay, depth of inside, you can really see it, but I will show you in later. You can see it, don't worry. So let's skip this. Width of handle is this handle. Let's make it like 75. Yeah, it's shorter now. Again, 300 from middle. Okay, now visibility. Bottom V, you can hide this. Yes. Front door, you can hide front door. Yes. And now we can see depth of inside, so it's like it made 50, you can see it's thicker, yeah. And this one is a really great way to like control visibility of handle. So you can see in help 0 is blank, so if you put 0, no handle. 1 from to 4 is from corner, so from this corner, sorry, second corner, yeah, 4, and from 5 to 8 is from middle. Yes, so it always will be according this number, but you always can hide this, yeah. So let's put front door V, and let's put it like 8. So now you have really a lot of possibilities to create this kind of things like here you can see. So I create tutorial for this, how to make this Revit family from scratch. So if you want to learn how to do this kind of parametric Revit families, just click in description below, and we will see there. Thank you for your time. Goodbye.